In 2022, France is coming to you during the French Travel Workshops at Tour France in conjunction with Air France would like to invite you to discover Paris and its beautiful region. The very best of world rugby will go head to head throughout some of the most breathtaking France destinations. Come and join in the excitement on September 7th at Sofitel, Melbourne-on-Collins, and on September 9th at Sofitel, Auckland, Viaduct Harbour. By registering now and then coming along, everyone will receive a beautiful Dior perfume, J'adore Dior, and have the chance to win 2 tickets to Paris.